Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully fun unboxing, and this one's actually a box, so we can call it that. It says, doesn't cost a fortune. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see if it doesn't cost a fortune. Oh, this is exciting. Looks like it finally came in. And I got this because it was recommended to me by those awesome Rc Saylors. Okay, alright. It will not open. Doesn't cost a fortune unless I destroy the box, right? There we go. It's on its way out. It's on its way out. Oh, it just won't. I'll have to wait until the next video to come out.